Best deals.
1. Sealer. Perfect for tightly sealing and storing all types of foods and snacks, so that the food stays fresh and tastier for longer. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Sealing machine. Sealer is suitable for chip bags, vacuum sealer bags, cookie bags, pet food bags, and other PP, PE, and PVC bags. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Butter cheese spoon. Made of food-grade stainless steel with long-lasting, durable, and highly corrosion-resistant feature. Surface of the butter knife is mirror-polished, which makes the knife surface smoother and does not hide dirt. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Knife. Sensitive cutting, making complicated cutting and designing of fruits and vegetables easier and more controlled, and highly recommended by chefs and professionals. Knife-sensitive cutting edge and compact blade makes it most desirable product in desired category. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tap extender. 2 flow modes, rain mode and foam mode, to switch between a standard flow and a reduced flow in the kitchen, rotate flexibly, focus on point cleaning, quickly decontaminate, and reach any corner of kitchen basin. Powerful pressurization can remove tiny impurities in tableware, fruits and vegetables. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Rolling pin. Silicone rolling pin is perfect parent-kid interactive game tools. The rolling part is applied with a good design and easy to operate. Even a child can master it quickly. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Faucet filter. Upgraded visual transparent window, which is safe and reliable for visually visible filtering effects. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cleaning cloth. Wafer structure of the microfiber material picks and holds dirt and residue. Wipe is super absorbent because of the capillary actions of the numerous fine fibers. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Spatula. Made of highly durable and food-grade material with a riveted polyoxymethylene handle which makes it safe. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Cutting board. Elegant handles on both sides make it easy to carry the board to the table for serving or transport. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cleaning sponge. Made of wood pulp and regenerated cellulose material, and it is completely biodegradable once discarded. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Squeegee. The durable quality of rubber and plastic ensures long-lasting performance, essential tools for precise vinyl installations and glass cleaning tasks, stylish design for comfortable and controlled use during application. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Scraper. The plastic design prevents sharp blades from being damaged. Steel razor blades can easily scratch deep into auto paint, window tints or other surfaces, but plastic razor blades can do the same job without scratching or shaving. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Shower mat. The anti-slip shower mat has an exquisite textured surface for additional non-skid performance. The bathroom mat is secured with anti-slip rubber to keep it firmly in place. They lay with a strong grip to the floor surface to stay in place and enhance safety. The Eurotex bath mat for shower features hundreds of small drain holes which allow water to circulate to help keep it clean, and if you want smaller size, you can cut the mat as you need to fit your tub or any area. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Mini sealing machine. Made from high-quality ABS material, this compact sealer is lightweight, weighing just 40 grams, making it effortlessly portable and easy to carry wherever you go. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Strainer. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this mesh jali is rust-resistant, sturdy, and easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting performance. Stainless steel sink strainer designed to prevent clogs by capturing food scraps and debris, ensuring free-flowing drains. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Chopper. Designed to scrape and split bread dough, has a rubber non-slip handle. So it's easy to use and make your baking more effective and no worry about hand and wrist fatigue. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Rice pot drainer. Stand fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. Drainer stand that neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Drainer. Small and closely spaced holes on every surface of every perforated colander, great for draining fast, and the food won't be clogged up or slid out. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Gloves. Silicone oven mitts that are thick heat resistant potholders made from premium food grade material. Mittens are rated to protect you from heat up to 446. High quality mini mitt set helps you to grip hot items safely in your kitchen or at your outdoor barbecue. This mighty duo are the ultimate kitchen accessory. Holder is suitable for both left and right hand. You can slip on and off breezily. The soft silicone material makes you feel comfortable. With the design of anti-skid, you can handle slippery items firmly. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Trivet mat. Made with premium food grade silicone, our trivets for hot pots and pans are non-toxic and do not leach harmful chemicals into your food. Generous size can accommodate most pots, pans, while their dishwasher-friendly design makes cleaning of hot pot mat a breeze. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Stretch lids. Just cover it with these silicone covers and it will stay fresh until you feel hungry again. The silicone food protection cover can be used to cover cooked food, fruit, salads, sauces, and beverages such as coffee, tea, and juice. Because they are stretchable materials, food lids are easy to fit into most bowls, jars, containers, cups, mugs, cans, jars, and you can even use them to cover your half-cut melon or watermelon. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Grater. Made from food-grade material. Durability is the key and thus, it will maintain its longevity. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Steamer. Can used to steaming veggie, fruits, eggs, meats, seafood, baby food, desserts, dumpling and more. Not only can be used as a food steamer basket, also could be used as a food strainer or container. Simply place the basket, feet side down, in your pot of choice, when you are ready to put away. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Soap dispenser. Dispense the perfect amount of soap onto the sponge, extremely easy to use. Best for home, office and restaurant, innovative design, high quality and long lasting. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Faucet. Versatile 3-mode upgrade faucet sprayer attachment featuring stream, spray, and powerful double modes for efficient cleaning, seamlessly transitioning from gentle to vigorous flows without splashing, and ensuring thorough cleaning from every angle. Product link is given in the 26th link. Thanks for watching.